Oh shit, what am I doing?
Is there one going off?
I doubt he's on. I doubt he's on there. I doubt he's gonna be on here though. Even after that, he probably just pulled right out. Got him. Well, Tommy had some cut bait sitting because we're trying to get channel casts. And he caught a freaking bass. That's pretty unreal, dude.
That's crazy.
Probably just opportunistic this time of year. That word all up. Crazy, man. You were like swearing it was gonna be a channel. That's crazy.
I thought it was gonna be a channel.
Nuts, dude. Your face when it came up, you were like, what? Now I've heard people catching trout on cut baits. That's what I thought you had. What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode. We're out here on the ice again. I'm actually in the shanty right now. Got the girlfriend with me. Her feet are cold. But yeah, we've been catching a few. I lost my auger like a dumbass, and then you guys saw I freaking lost my spud bar now too. So yeah, we're out here just kind of kicking through holes and shit because I don't have anything to drill holes with, and nowhere in my area even sells augers. So that's unfortunate. So I had to order one. I don't even know when it's gonna be here. But yeah, in the shanty because it is like, I mean, it feels like it's like 10 degrees outside. I have no idea. Like I said, girlfriend's here. Tommy is out here somewhere freezing his ass off because me and the girlfriend took the shanty. But yeah, we're gonna stay out here until she gets too cold, I guess, which is probably gonna not be too much longer, but I'm gonna make her stay anyway. And hopefully we can catch some bigger fish. So stay tuned. You got him. What is it? Big old bluegill. You did it. Yeah. He said I stood up and there was a fish.
There he is.
That's not a bad one.
My catch of the day.
There you go. Here you took out now. Damn, you're catching more than me. Doubt he's still on here. Damn it. I think I hit again. Damn. Bobber was all the way up on the reel. And it was bouncing. It's gonna be one of them days again. Would have been a little bit quicker because that rod was bouncing right when I got to it. Oh shit. That's gonna be bad. That's gonna freeze. God damn it. I like missing fish. Go for it. I'm gonna go in here now. I'm gonna eat my food to be warm. Oh my god, it's like 30 degrees warmer in here. What I got here? What do I got here? Oh dude! This size, it's a huge gill.
Big gill?
Yeah. Ah, Jesus. That's a good one. Shit, he was suspended. And he freaking wanted it. It's weird how like out of nowhere one will hammer it. This is a good one. I might fillet this dude. It's a pretty damn good sized gill, dude. Oh yeah, there's bud. Suspended up in there. That's kind of strange. I'm on the board, Tommy. That freaking dude hammered that. That was crazy. I would have sworn it was a crappie. He was in 15 foot and 22.5 foot of water. Oh, this feels kind of big. This is big. Oh, what is this? Is it a trout? What do I got here? No way. Oh, it's just a nice crappie. I thought it was a trout for a second. There's a crappie down there. Oh yeah. That fought pretty good. Well, that guy hammered it. He wasn't really suspended all that much though. Man, I thought that was a trout for a second. He's so silver, he's so washed out. Not a bad little crappie. Okay, well, that's good. Wonder where the hell those guys have been. Little crappie. What'd you do? Oh my god. What the hell did you do?
I didn't do it.
There, bruh. That thing was fighting good for a little crappie.
You go?
Got me that crappie. It's fighting like one. Yep. Another crappie. Yep. And those are all crappie down there. There's a lot too, but they're just biting so weird. There's so many down there right now. Just a little dude, but there's a lot of crappie down there. I'm working like crazy. Freaking wild. They're just like not fully committed to biting, you know. You like really work at them. They're still down there, like it's lit up like crazy. Oh man. They're biting. Dude, we've got like so many crappie below us, but they're so hard to hook. I've caught 2. There's gotta be freaking 50 of them. Is it? Ah! I'm getting irritated. Oh shit! What am I doing?
Is there one going off?
I doubt he's on. I doubt he's on there. Ah! Doubt he's gonna be on there. I doubt he's gonna be on here though. Even after that, he probably just pulled right out. Got him. Hey. God. It's a bass. Dude, he inhaled it. My God, he's probably been on there for 10 minutes. It's in his freaking gut. Shit. I don't think I'm getting that out. Man, I hate doing that. Oh, it's right there. I might be able to freaking get this out and try some surgery. I'm trying to save you, little guy. Let's see here. I can go in from the gills. Oh, dude, it popped right out. Hell yeah, he's gonna be fine. That's the crazy. I don't know if I was even recording that. Yeah, it was. I don't know if you guys could even see what I did. Probably not. But if you go in through underneath the gills when the hook's in their gut like that. So if you go in through here and you get on the shank of the hook and you just twist, it usually pops right out without causing like hardly any damage at all. So this guy's probably gonna be fine. He went from like a, I could have just cut the hook and he would have had probably like a, I don't know, 15% chance to live. He's probably got about like an 85% chance now, so hell yeah. But he's not even bleeding at all, so I think he's gonna be perfectly fine. I just didn't even know. I mean, I kept checking that, and last time I checked, fish was on. There, bud. There he goes. Yeah. Another gill. Oh my goodness, you're hammering him now though. I have the gills roll in.
I'll catch a big crappie or something.
Doing.
Is he not gonna eat it?
Just let him go. He's not gonna want to eat. He don't want it now. He's gonna spit that out as soon as you put him in. Like, don't, you're wasting your time. Just say the bait.
No, he's not. Look at him.
Oh my God, he don't want it. That was not graceful at all.
Look, he spit it
I
out.
told you that's what he's gonna do. Look at that, babe.
How do you catch him?
Oh, what do I got here? This kind of feels good. Take it off. Big old bluegill. Just come right back into the hole when I get one. That one fought pretty good. Oh boy, he jumped back out. You cold? Are you really that cold?
My toes are freezing.
Yep.
You got me in.
There you go. Alright guys, well we're fishing one hole because all that stuff I talked about earlier, losing my auger, and then I lost my spud bar, and yeah, so we just keep getting crossed up in there, but the crappie were in here really thick. It seems like they moved out, but now the bluegill are here really thick, and I've been hammering them. Face having some issues though. This little shanty looks huge with the GoPro. It looks like you're so far away. Yeah. You got fishing Tommy now? What you got? Yeah. Didn't get him? What is it? It's a bluegill. Oh. You wanted a crappie.
Yeah.
It's alright. That's a good job though.
Everywhere.
Yeah, this is crazy. We're both just marking fish freaking everywhere. They're just being finicky, dude. It's been a lot of people pressuring. Been a lot of pressure. Probably because of my damn. Oh my God. Almost got all that. It's my fault, dude. People watch my videos and they come out here. Like, it's not a very big lake.
I know.
It's pretty easy to figure out where the hell we're fishing.
Right.
I think I lost my spud bar today too. Hey, Outdoors Weekly, come find my spud bar. Bring your magnet. Oh, there he is. Guy hammered it like twice. Be a crappie. You know. Oh.
He's big.
Oh, that's a good one. Decent crappie. Took a little drag for a crappie. I mean, he hammered it. It's weird, like you won't get him and then all of a sudden we'll hammer the shit out of it. Don't understand it. Not a bad little crop. Bang. What you got?
I don't know.
Hammering him in here. It's another big gill. Oh, that's a monster.
Nice.
How come you figured it out all of a sudden?
You just barely move it.
Yeah. Hammering him in here. Tommy's getting mad.
You're good as we
And they're hammering him all of a sudden. Hey! Crappie are moving in. That's not bad. Get a little bit of action. The old jigger. Oh, there he is. Hammered it. Hammered it.
Mini?
No, this one's on a mule. Crappie. I've caught a lot of crappie today. Freaking hammered it, man. Like, I saw one and he disappeared, and I saw another one suspended. I just reeled right up to him and he freaking hammered it instantly. So cool when they do that. I just took the mini off. Oh, there's another one down there suspended.